Hi everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today I will teach you how to write control statements in Python. First of all, what are control statements? Control statements are the statements that allow us to write conditions. For example, if we want to check whether a student is pass or fail, then we can do this by writing control statements. Let us implement this logic in PyCharm. So firstly, we need to take a variable. For this, I am taking a variable marks. I will use input function to get its value. Input. And in the input function, I can write like enter your marks. Now user will get this message and user will enter his marks. Now I have already told you that input function by default returns a string. We have to convert this string into int so that we can add the conditions. Now we can write our control statements like if. Here I can write my condition marks greater than equal to 33 colon, and after that we need to add a single space. For example, we cannot write all the statements just below the if statement. We have to write at least one space. This is called indentation. You can add more than one spaces also, but one space is must. So we need to indent our code like this, and now we can print our message. Print you are pass. Similarly, in the else part, else colon, we can print our another message. Print you are fail. If I run this program, right click, run. It is asking me to enter marks. If I enter any number that is less than or equal to 33, like I am entering 23, it will show me you are fail. And if I enter 33, for example, enter your marks 33, it will show me you are pass. Similarly, if I enter any number that is greater than 33, for example, if I enter 45, it will show me you are pass. So in this way, we can make a basic program of control statements, or we can write if else. One rule that is must to be remembered is that we need to indent our code before writing if statements, and similarly we need to indent our code before writing else statements. So in this way we can make basic program of if else. In the coming series, I'll teach you more complex programs of if else. Thank you very much.